There are hundreds of ways to make money online. Now, majority of the people that will come online is through affiliate marketing. So they want to promote other people's product and earn commissions. But guess what? There are some other ways to make money online too. And that is by uploading simple basic videos and getting those videos to be monetized. So basically your account gets monetized. They place ads on those videos, and through those videos, guess what happens? You start making money online. So one of the websites that's allowing to do this, where you can upload basic videos and start making money, is called a Rumble. All right, so already got my account here. It's a free to join this website. Okay, so if you just come to search, all right, and you type in, let's just type in something like make money online, and let me just show you. Okay, so if I come here, as you can see, this person got 119,000 views. Okay, this person's got 73,000 views. So if I just click on this website, watch this, it's going to be an ad popping up. So I'm going to click here and look at this. This is an ad. Can you see here? This is an ad. This person's making money, right? Let's just skip this ad. Okay, let's just pause this video. So there you go, this person is making money. So you can upload these simple videos onto this website and start making money by having ads on these videos. Okay, now I'm related to make money online, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, etc. So my interest and my passion is all about this. Okay, the good part about this website, Rumble, is that it doesn't require you to do a lot of things before getting monetized. So for instance, with YouTube, if you create a YouTube channel, the first thing what will happen is that you need to hit that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. I'm saying this at this current moment. They keep on changing things, but at this current moment, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and minimum 4,000 hours watch time within 1 year to get your account monetized. All right, this is not required with Rumble. In Rumble, it's very, very easy to get monetized. That's why I am saying that if you come to Rumble and you have already been in the internet marketing space of video marketing, and you have a business and you're promoting your business using YouTube and other social media platforms, you might want to try out Rumble as well, because a few extra $100 a month will help you with other thinner things in your life. Okay, so once you come to Rumble, you just want to go here and then you want to go to account overview. Okay, and you can see here that right now this is a fresh account. All right, and you might see something like this: estimated YouTube earnings. Okay, basically you can integrate YouTube with this as well. All right, and what you want to do is you want to go to account verification. This is very, very important. Make sure you verify your account. So you need to add your number down here, because this is what will happen when you have a verified account. Upload videos and you live streaming, make money and cash out your earning. Okay, leave comments on videos, vote for videos and comments. So you can't make money if you haven't verified your account with a phone number. So this is very, very important. All right, and then what you want to do is basically you want to go to, okay, where is that section gone? All right, create a channel. Very important. Once you have done this, you want to go to create channel and name your channel. This is very important. So basically, if you're related to make money online, you might want to create a channel related to, if you're going to target a specific system and a product, then your channel will be about that. But if you want to become more broad, which I recommend broad, so you have different type of videos teaching people how to do affiliate marketing, teaching people how to work from home, teaching people how to do freelance jobs, etc., then in that case you want to have a broader name in your channel and create that channel, and then you start uploading videos. Okay, so this is how simple it is to make money online. Now, a lot of people ignore this because, yes, with video monetization, they don't pay you a lot of money. You have to get like thousands of views to make like $50. Okay, yes, I get it, but still a few $100 a month will help you pay your bill off, will help you with the fuel in your car, will help you with any kind of like some kind of expense that just comes into your life. Okay, so this is how you do this. You could do this with YouTube as well. YouTube pays you with monetization, but like I said, when you create a brand new YouTube channel, it requires certain steps that needs to be taken before getting monetized on YouTube. But with Rumble, you can skip all those steps and get your account monetized very, very quickly and have those videos pumping in cash out for you on a daily basis. Now, I don't have any kind of information on how much does Rumble pay you for these monetization, because with YouTube it's very clear. If you just go to Google, Google will tell you exactly how much they pay you for 1,000 views. All right, it's very simple and very easy to calculate and do the mathematics about your earnings. But with Rumble, I have no information about that. It's all about experience. You just come in here, start uploading all your videos, all right, and then start making some money from this platform by uploading a video, and start monetizing your channel and start monetizing your videos. Okay, so this is basically for those people who are already doing business or interested in video marketing and making money from videos, and they are already using other social media platforms. They might want to try out Rumble as well. And basically, here's another one. If you want to try out Rumble and you do start doing Rumble, share your experience in my comment box below this video. Share it, and when you start making money, share that too, so it encourages other people to go ahead and start doing this. Remember, action takers will always win. You need to start taking action now. I know a lot of people are more interested in different ways to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing. Like I am, I'm more interested in making money online with affiliate marketing than going out there and creating a video after video after video and then just uploading it to make a couple of $100. Like I said, it does help. A couple of $100 will pay the small mini finna expenses in your life. But with affiliate marketing, the good part is that if you know how to drive traffic and you make a commitment to become an experienced traffic driver, all right, then you can print your own paychecks and you can promote anything out there that could pay you anywhere from $10 to up to $1,000. Okay, very, very simple, very, very easy. That's why I love affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products. You don't have to go out there and hassle with what do you say, hassle with the payment processing, anything like that. You just promote a product, you log into your account, see the cash, see the commissions, and after about the refund period is ended, you get paid directly into your bank account. Now, if you want to watch all my affiliate marketing videos, I do have videos on my YouTube channel. Just go out there, watch